Hey, this is your boy Kevin. I'm here in Lincoln City, Oregon. It's right on the coast of the Pacific Ocean. Here's the Pacific Ocean right there. Alright, take care. It's your boy Kevin. This is still the Pacific Ocean. This is just further down the road. I want you to check out these waves. We're traveling down the Oregon Highway, and I like this. Let me see if I can zoom in on that lighthouse. Yeah, there's a lighthouse right there. Yeah, that's Pacific Ocean. I wanted you to check out the waves. All right, take care.